everybody, feel the fire, hear the beat. Golden Week in Saitama, where culture and sports meet. From every race, every story, every hometown pride. One court, one love, let the basketball unite. Step in the gym, hear the crowd roar loud. Season 1 is here, standing fearless and proud. Team Ozora, our whitey flying high in the sky. Team Tsukashima West Side, bringing hustle, never shy. Team Fight reaping with passion, heart in every play. Team UBEC, grinding harder every day. Team underrated, proving doubters all wrong. Team Baka Bulls, charging fierce, powerful and strong. Raise your hands up, let the whole court sing. Saitama Basketball League, feel the joy it brings. Golden Week, celebration family, stretch and play. Class D, season 1, we shine today.
Ako nga pala si Kevin Tarizo po, taga Nishitaro Kanagawa. Carpentry po dito sa Japan.
Taga saan ka sa Pinas?
Taga Madeo, Cavite po ako.
Cavite, okay.
Cavite po.
So, anong ginawa nyo para manalo sa game na to?
Yung advantage lang po namin sa compared sa kabilang team is yung bilis po namin kasi yung mostly ng mga kalaban namin mga bodybuilder malalaking katawan. So, nilamangan namin sa bilis na lang. Sa connection namin sa passing, sa ball passing.
Okay, thank you. So, baka may gusto kang shout out?
Shout sa team Eliac po, saka sa misis ko pa sa Pilipinas.
Okay, sa Pilipinas. Ilang misis mo ba ang nasa Pilipinas ngayon?
Ay, isa po.
Isa lang, okay.
Keeping everything clean, voice of the game.